Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me H Purifier 300 from Hoover, and now I'm gonna show you how to check your QR code to pair your purifier with your smartphone. To do that, you just need to find this side of your purifier and just open it. And now rotate your purifier and you can have the QR code on this side, on this side, on this or on this. So as you can see, I have it here. And in HON application, you just need to scan this code. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye.